Are you just getting started in magic and want to amaze your friends? Then you'll love X-ray vision. Here's what happens. You show your audience a solid 100% opaque box and a cube containing a different color on each side. While your back is turned, you ask your audience to think of one of the colors on the cube and place it inside the box. Then, the box is handed back to you. You then display your powers of X-ray vision and tell them the color they are thinking of. This is an amazing magic trick to perform for any audience. Everything can be examined before and after the trick. X-ray vision includes everything you need to get started right away. The online video instructions will teach you all the secrets of X-ray vision. You will learn the secret to make X-ray vision work, how to perform X-ray vision, also includes a scripted story to help you entertain your audience and friends. Carry it with you everywhere you go. X-ray vision is self-working, easy to learn, and easy to perform. So you will be able to perform with 100% confidence. Apprentice Magic welcomes you to X-ray vision.